Wanting to find typical daily weather for locations is a common weather question. This typical weather can be used to provide a very long-range extended forecast based on statistically average climate data. Typical weather can be very useful if you are scheduling an event outside the normal 15-day forecast window, such as a wedding, a vacation, or a marketing campaign. Although you can find similar data in our free Visual Crossing Event Planner app, linked in the comments below this video, today I'm going to show you how to use the Visual Crossing Weather web interface to obtain this data quickly and easily. I'll start by going to the Visual Crossing Weather data download page and logging into my Visual Crossing Weather account. If you don't already have an account, simply click on the orange button on the right side of the page. There you can sign up for a free trial account so that you can follow along. The first thing that I need to do is to enter the location for my weather query. In this example, I'll choose Manual Address Entry, and then click on the Current Address link. This tells the system to automatically populate my current location. Also, I'll enter a name for this location so that I can easily identify it later in the data. If you already have your locations in a spreadsheet, you can use the addresses in your sheet directly instead. Please see our other videos for examples. Next, I'll tell Visual Crossing Weather that I want to use the Historical Summaries query functionality. For parameters to this query, I'll let the default year range, but change the time interval to be day. This is asking the weather engine to calculate a daily weather summary for each day of the year based on actual historical weather observations over the past 30 years. After I submit the query, the calendar view shows the maximum and minimum weather conditions that I may encounter on each day of the year. I can use this view directly when planning an event around our company headquarters. I can easily find date ranges that typically fit the weather patterns that I desire. However, in some cases, instead of seeing a single location, I'll need to compare multiple. To demonstrate how easy this is in Visual Crossing Weather, I'll add another location, London, England, to my location list. Now when I submit the query, the calendar view shows the extreme daily weather conditions for both locations. I can easily compare their climate day by day throughout the year to determine the best location for my activity. Or I could just as easily add more locations and do comparison across dozens of locations. In that case, I may want to export this data for analysis in a tool such as Excel or a business intelligence platform. All I need to do is to press the download button at the bottom of this page in order to get a CSV file ready for use in nearly any external tool. If you are interested in other weather data functionality, such as 15-day forecasts for multiple locations or historical weather reports, please see our other videos. Thanks for watching.